Check this out. I just made $1,304.97 in just 24 hours. And all I had to do was make this one simple post on Twitter. Listen, Twitter is exploding right now. With Elon Musk buying it, hundreds of millions of people have been talking obsessively about it. They're going bonkers. The platform is exploding right now because of this. Now, the good news is, this has opened up a massive opportunity for us marketers or anyone wanting to make money online. See, while everyone else is fighting over traffic on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, Twitter is the low-hanging fruit, and there's never been a better time to get traffic from there. So we went ahead and seized the opportunity by creating an app called TweeterBucks that gets us free Twitter traffic in just 5 to 10 minutes by making super simple posts that are written for us with powerful artificial intelligence. Pretty cool, huh? And this isn't any ordinary kind of traffic. After all, you could have 1 million online visitors, but if nobody buys it, it doesn't mean squat. In order for you to make money online, someone must take out their credit card and send you money. The great news is, the traffic you'll be getting with TweeterBucks loves to buy. That's because it's highly targeted for your specific niche. This includes niches like money online, weight loss, dating, fitness, or anything else out there. That's why it's no surprise why this traffic gets us $37 to $197 sales on affiliate marketing platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. All we have to do is send this traffic to our affiliate links and we get paid commissions. Listen, this is something that a 10-year-old could do. Here, let me show you how easy it is. All it takes is just 5 simple steps. The first thing you're going to do is choose a niche. Just enter any keyword like weight loss or make money online. This step ensures that the traffic you're getting is laser targeted, so you can actually make use of it. The second thing you need to do is use TweeterBucks to generate content for your Twitter post. This takes less than a minute, and our artificial intelligence does all the heavy lifting for you. Simply copy and paste the text we give you onto Twitter. Next, the third step is to choose an image or video from our massive library of visuals. This step is important, as adding a video to your Twitter post has been shown to increase engagement by 10 times. That means 10 times more traffic. The fourth step is monetizing the traffic you'll be getting. The easiest solution is to choose from our library of pre-approved affiliate offers. Whenever someone buys through your link, you can make sales of $37 to $197. You don't have to do any of the selling or product delivery. And the fifth and final step is to publish your masterpiece on Twitter. You don't need any following, and this can be done on a brand new account. We found that it normally takes around 5 to 10 minutes to get traffic. Now, we encourage you to make as many of these posts as possible. The harder you take action, the more traffic you will get. Okay, so at this point, you've seen the potential that Twitter has to offer. You've seen the proof on how well TweeterBucks works, so you might be wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, we worked our butts off to get this software quickly up and running. If you were to do this all yourself, it would cost you tens of thousands of dollars. So taking that into consideration, we could easily charge $97 per month for access to TweeterBucks, or $1,164 per year. Even at that price, it would be a steal. You'd need just one sale a month, and it would more than pay for itself. But I understand that spending $97 per month is a huge commitment, especially when there are so many scams out there trying to rip you off. So today, I'm going to make you a super special offer. For our early bird users, we're going to offer temporary, one-time pricing, so you won't pay any monthly fees at all. You won't pay $97, not even $27. You'll pay the same price as a few drinks at Starbucks. Yes, that low of a price gets you full access to TweeterBucks. But you cannot wait. This discount is only available to our early bird users. When this phase has passed, you'll end up paying at least $97 per month. Why wait and pay more? I mean, you could, but that would only be putting more money in our pocket. And what's the point in waiting when you're protected by our risk-free 365-day money-back guarantee? You'll get a full 365 days to test drive our TweeterBucks on our dime. If you don't feel like it was worth every penny you invested, then we don't deserve your money. Just send us a message and we'll refund everything to your payment method like nothing ever happened. Heck, I'll even send you $100 in cold hard cash if you can't get traffic with TweeterBucks. Yes, that's how confident I am in TweeterBucks. Nothing like this has ever been released before. So what do you have to lose? The ball is now in your court, my friend. Here's how you can get started. You're going to click the button below, and when you do, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. When you fill out all your information, you'll gain access to TweeterBucks. No complex setup, no paying for hosting, no paying for domains, no paying for traffic, and absolutely zero extra expenses are required in order to see results with TweeterBucks. Remember, all it takes is just 5 to 10 minutes to begin getting free targeted traffic with TweeterBucks. It doesn't get any better than this. So what are you waiting for? Go on and take the plunge right now. Click the big bright yellow button to get started.